Welcome to our training on how multi-channel fulfillment, or MCF, works. Modern business owners typically use multiple online sales channels. These might include the Amazon store, an e-commerce website dedicated to their product or business, or social media accounts, for example. With MCF, businesses of any size using any online sales channels can take advantage of Amazon's product storage and order fulfillment. It allows you to maintain control over your sales and inventory while letting Amazon fulfill your online orders from a single inventory source. We recommend using MCF to help scale your business without increasing your fixed costs. For example, you can use Amazon's fulfillment operations and scalable storage capacity to manage seasonal spikes in demand for your products. Here's how MCF works. There's no separate enrollment process for MCF if you have an Amazon selling account. All you'll need to do is send your inventory to Amazon's fulfillment centers. That way, the next time a customer places an order on any of your online sales channels, you can choose one of three options to create a fulfillment order. First, you can create orders one at a time. Second, you can upload a spreadsheet to create orders in bulk. Third, you can create an automatic order through pre-built integrations or APIs. Amazon will pick, pack, and ship products for the orders you submit. Your customers can track their MCF orders in real time and should receive them 1 to 2 days after shipment from a fulfillment center. We use Amazon packaging for orders placed in our store and brand-neutral packaging for those placed through other e-commerce channels. You can choose from a number of options and shipping speeds based on what suits your needs. Your customers can receive their MCF orders as quickly as 1 to 2 days after shipment from a fulfillment center and track those orders in real time. Review the Seller Central help page titled Multi-Channel Fulfillment: Fulfill Orders for Your Sales Channels for more information on MCF shipping and delivery timelines. As with other Amazon orders, items can be returned to an Amazon fulfillment center for processing. Sellers are responsible, however, for providing customer service for these orders, including addressing delivery inquiries and managing requests for replacements, refunds, and returns. Amazon charges a single fee for picking, packing, and fulfilling MCF orders, and another for storing your inventory. Storage costs vary depending on product size tier, current month, product volume, average daily units, and dangerous goods classification status. To review MCF pricing and get a description of these storage fee categories, visit sellercentral.amazon.com/MCF and select Download the Rate Card PDF at the bottom of the page. This concludes our video on MCF and its benefits. Search Send to Amazon in Seller University to learn how to send your inventory to an Amazon fulfillment center. And search Multi-Channel Fulfillment: Create Fulfillment Orders to learn how to create an MCF order. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store!